Hello and welcome.
2. Review linear equations, number 2.
Today we're going to look at linear equations. We got Josh and Dana here, my students, right? I'm going to teach you guys, right? We're all going to learn about linear equations together.
Love you, Josh.
Everybody loves Josh. It makes it easy. Standard form is something that's ax plus by equals c. So it's moving it around into this form so that these are integers. A, b, and c are integers. And the other important thing is that the x term has to come first and the a must be positive. Okay, Josh, here's your first question. What's an example of a positive number?
1.
Step into the frame so we can see you. What's a positive number?
1.
Oh, good job. A for you. Good job. All right, he passes. Good. Write the equation of this in standard form. So the key here, see we've got fractions. We don't like fractions. Standard form doesn't like fractions. So what we really want is we want these to be no more fractions. And the tip really is to multiply by the number that's in the denominator. Okay, Dana, how do you get rid of fractions?
Divide.
Oh, no. A for Josh. Multiply by the number that's in the
Denominator.
Good job. Multiply by the number that's in the denominator. Here there's a 3 in the denominator. So if I multiply everything by 3, that would give me 3y. And when I multiply this, it cancels the number in the denominator very nicely. It just leaves me negative 2x. And then 3 times 6 would be 18. So when I'm trying to get rid of a fraction, I would just, Josh, what should I do? Multiply by the
Denominator.
Yes, number in the denominator. Good, you're still passing. Okay, good. Now, I've got no more fractions, which is great. I have integers, but I also want the x term to come first. So here's a quick quiz for Dana. How could I move this so that the x term comes first over here?
You can add it.
I can add it. Good job. All right, good. I'm so proud of you. So we can add it to over here. And so now I've got 2x plus 3y equals 18. So a is 2, b is 3, c is 18. They're all integers. And this one is positive, so I don't need to do anything. If this happened to be negative, I would just multiply everything by negative 1. This is in standard form. Fantastic. One more example. This one here has 2 different fractions. It has 1/2 and it has 2/3. Uh-oh. 2 different ones.
Multiply.
We said multiply by the
Denominator.
but now there's 2 denominators. So how could I figure out how...
Find a common denominator.
Find a common denominator.
Yeah.
Josh is wrong. What's a common denominator between 2 and 3?
6.
6. We got 6. So how about we multiply everything by 6? This man is on a roll. If I multiply this by 6, it gives me 3. If I multiply... Yeah, see how handsome? And if I want to go 6 times this, it cancels and gives me 2 times 2, which is 4. And if I go 6 times this, it is 12. So sometimes if there's 2 fractions, you have to multiply by the
Common denominator.
common denominator. Good review. Now, am I set? Or is there anything I need to change here, Dana?
No. Yeah, you have to subtract the x over the...
Good job, Dana. Okay, yes, you're still alive. Awesome. So we subtract the 4x over here. We have negative 4x plus 3y equals negative 12. Now, I'm almost set. I got the x first, then the y, then the plain number, except that we have negatives in the x. I don't like that. How can I change a negative number to a positive number?
Josh.
Multiply it by negative
Woo!
4.
Woo! By negative anything, really negative 1 is enough. So I can do negative 1, which gives me positive 4, negative 3, positive 12.
Yes.
A, B, C. We did it. It's the standard form. Come take a bow. Here we go. Good job. Woo-hoo!
My ex, Lucci.